In this video, I will show you how to copy and paste to make money online, which is one of the easiest ways to earn $1,700 by just copy pasting for absolutely free in 2021. How do you do it? We're about to find out. This is how to make money by copy and pasting. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notifications on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have new and fresh strategies or methods to make money online, so you can be one of the first people to use it and of course make the most money. So enjoy it. I've never shown this website on my channel before, but it can earn you hundreds of dollars over and over again. This is about affiliate marketing. It does not involve selling nor recording your videos. Normally, you have to spend countless hours on your computer to only get paid a small amount of cash, but not with this method. Now, just before we start, comment down below I am from which country, because I really want to know where you guys are watching this video from. So drop your country's name in the comments down below, and don't forget I have a special bonus for you at the end of this video, so make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let's get into the steps of this method. So this is the website to which you will need to sign up and the site that will actually be paying us today. The website is called clearvoice.com. Now, since I've never talked about this website before on our channel, and I know most of you watching this don't even know what this website is, let me elaborate. Clearvoice is a website that pays a bunch of people to write articles for them, and more specifically, various business owners pay freelancers to write articles. So I will show you how you can get those articles done for you, and that way you don't have to write anything, which in turn means that you won't need any writing skills either. And before you even think about it, no, I'm not going to show you just some random PLR websites or whatever to find articles. We will instead be using a different platform for that purpose. With all of that said, in order to start making money with clearvoice.com, you need to have an account. And to do so, hover your mouse over here at Talent Network and just click on Join the Talent Network. And by the way, you can see on the left side some of the categories in which you can write articles. So you've got advertising and marketing, finance, healthcare, software, tech, retail, and so much more. Now, with that being said, after clicking on Join the Talent Network, you will be taken to this page where you need to create your account by simply filling out your full name and clicking on Get Started. From there, you will have the option to either sign up with your email or connect with Twitter or Google. I recommend doing it through Twitter or Google since it's way faster and easier to do. Now, once you sign up, this is what you will come across. This is your profile, and here you will see your name and your profile picture just above it. And on the left side is where you will be able to connect your profile with your various social media accounts. You should connect it with at least one account, since when you do so, you will have a higher chance of getting hired, which ultimately means you would be able to make more money with this website. Now, something that I want to mention before we move on is you will actually set your own rates, as you can see here. So you will be charging as much money as you feel is appropriate, and you will get paid quickly as well. So you won't have to wait whatsoever. Now, on the same page, you can also check out some of the people who are making money writing articles. You can open up the CV of this particular person by clicking on View CV right here. And if you scroll down, you will be able to see all of these articles that he's written until now, and each and every one of these made him hundreds of dollars. So as you can see, even if you have to write all of these yourself, you will still be able to make a lot of money. And since I will show you where you can find articles that are basically done for you, you'll be able to make even more money by doing far less work than this person. But before I show you that, there's something else very important for me to mention. Back on your profile here, once you create a brand new account, your CV will only be 15% complete, and you need to make it 100% in order to get paid by clicking on Improve Your CV right here. You'll see all you need to do to get it to 100% is you need to upload the profile picture to connect your social media accounts, add categories in which you will be writing, add a tagline, and much more. And what you will see as well is that you will need to add 6 or more pieces. What they mean by this is that you need to upload 6 or more articles into your profile. And so let me now finally show you how you can exactly obtain those articles. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, in which I've put a lot of time and effort and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys guys tap the like button and make sure to subscribe with notifications on. And now let's carry on. Let me show you where you can obtain those articles, and Google is the place where you can find them. Now, what you will need to do on Google is search for stuff relating to the categories you have over on ClearVoice. So you can search for something related to advertising, marketing, finance, healthcare, software, tech, retail, and so many more. And if you click on view all right here, you'll be able to see all of the categories. If you don't know exactly what to search for, is pick one of these categories, then just open up the CV of some of these people and take a look at what kind of articles they're uploading and simply search for something similar. In my case, I went with the business category and I searched for business tips for beginners. And as you can see, I can find a bunch of these different articles to choose from. And here's the best part about Google. New articles are being published daily. This means that you will never run out of articles, and there will always be new articles that you can use and upload on clearvoice.com. And then from here, what you need to do is simply pick any one of these articles, which in your opinion is the best and most interesting one, and open it up. Then just simply copy it. But since you cannot upload the same exact article without copyright infringement, you first need to rewrite it. And a website you want to use for that particular purpose is called quillbot.com. To have the entire article written for you, and you just paste it in here, click on rephrase, and this will rewrite it in literally a couple of seconds. Now with that said, I have a few tips for you as far as rewriting articles goes. First off, make sure that the rewritten article does not have any errors, since after all, Quillbot is just a software and some parts of the rewritten article will not make sense. So you have to quickly go through the article to make sure that there are no mistakes. The second tip I have for you is that you can combine two different articles, and what I mean by that is that if you search for business tips for beginners like I did for example, what you can do is open two different articles, rewrite half of each article with Quillbot and combine the two halves into a single article. This will add originality and could in the end get you paid more money. In any case, after rewriting the article using Quillbot and checking for any mistakes, you can now copy it. And from here, you will have to head to docs.google.com. Open up a blank document, paste the article right here, and then just simply save it to your computer so that you can upload it into clearvoice.com. And to do so, click on File right on the top left corner. Click download and then select PDF document to download it straight into your computer. After that, on clearvoice.com, click on add content down there, and on upload file, find it on your computer and upload it. And from there, what you need to do is select the category. In my case, it's business. The primary role is to copy, edit your content and type this article. And you can now write a description if you want to, but it's not mandatory. And just click on update down here to finally publish the article. From here, you will basically rinse and repeat. Find an article on Google, copy it, rewrite it using Quillbot or other bots online, paste it in Google Docs, save it to your computer, and then upload it into ClearVoice. And that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss out any of the new videos that we upload every day. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.